We are going to open up a mini verse, make it mini fill the fridge. And I ask you guys to please subscribe. It is free. You do not have to pay. Please, please subscribe and help me grow my channel. And I thank you all so much for the love and support and helping me grow my channel. And I do appreciate you all. Let's get started. I'm going to open it up and I'll be right back. All right, let's get started, you guys. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show, we did get a magnet. It's like bread. We did get a magnet. Oh, we have a mini. I got the chocolate one. Now I got the strawberry one. Awesome. We have broccoli. I think that may be a repeat, but we will see. We have milk. We do have fresh milk. Awesome. Okay. Oh, we have honey. Ah, we have honey. This is so cute. I love that. We got honey. Oh, we have ice cream. I think this is a repeat. This one may be a repeat too as well. That may be a repeat, but we'll see. Let's see, and we have this. This is Chinese noodles, Pandora. Oh no, Pandora Express Chinese chicken. Chinese chicken. I don't know if I have that one. We also got we got one of these. These I wear. You don't get these in every ball. So let's get started. Let's see. We have the mini one. This is the mini version. So I don't have the mini version, but I do got the big one. Hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, the ice cream and the broccoli are all repeats, but the ones at the top are all new. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hold on. As you can see, I put everything in the refrigerator. It's just that the minis right here ain't going to stay up. But I did put everything in the refrigerator. Let's close it up. I thank you all so much for joining me. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day.